Hey guys, check out Tiffany and Link. No, check out what I just got in the mail. My winner from the 800 subscriber giveaway, Glenda, she didn't want her $25. What she wanted was to have me use that $25 to purchase something that I wanted. And something that I really, really wanted was a ring light. So I actually got this for $26. And I'm like, I am very excited. I cannot wait to use it. Probably this weekend I'm setting up my desk in my room, and I'm making like kind of like a recording area where I can do my videos. And this is a really good one here. It's on backwards, I guess, but there's a cell phone holder. It came with an attachment that I can put my camera on. And it's got a little remote with it. It's really neat, and I'm really excited to use this. So, how do I flip this camera? I want to record me now. Okay. Okay, so thank you, Glenda. Thank you so much for the ring light. I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited. Probably use it either today or tomorrow. I'm not sure when the video will come up, and please don't mind that I don't have any makeup on today. I'm recovering from getting sick, but I'm really excited about this, and it's really neat. And yes, I wanted one of these for a long time. So again, thank you so much, Glenda. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Right, Tiffany? Tiffany's excited to use it too.
Not my ring light,
but you can make videos.
I don't have anything to make videos. My phone's low quality. Awful phone.
Stop.